Okay, this is the existing retaining wall walkthrough for 2416 Melendy. If you see back here, those actually look like precast. They look precast, super very precast, and it's sitting on top of some kind of existing slab, which is weird. Oh my, there's some sort of separation between the stucco and the top of the foundation, like it's sort of peeled away. That's not good. And some sort of crack. Oh my god, that's terrible. That might need to be fixed. Oh my god, that's a 60 amp switch. It looks like it runs. Oh, you know what? I think that's for the jacuzzi that goes up top. That's fine. So, but this is kind of scary. It's 4x6. For some reason, they notched these. Don't know why, but they're terrible. So this is the retaining wall, and it goes down. It goes down from this side. This side is 5'9.5", and it goes down 5 inches. And it looks like it drops down. I'll go ahead and measure that. It looks to be about a foot down that way, to not grade but slab of some sort. That's going to be interesting. And then there's another CMU retaining wall of some sort at the back portion. So it's like it's a stepped retaining wall, or step retainer system. Awesome. So again, this big wall, actually from here, I think it's just a slab that sort of goes down with it, but at this height it's 5'9", I think, or 5'10", and all the way there at that corner at this intersection it's 6'2", and it actually looks like the retaining wall sort of continues, and I can't really tell where. It looks like it stops at that. There's 2 sets of footings beyond the retainer. I'd say about 6 feet away that the retaining wall, the tall retaining wall, sort of ends. And then the one that tees into it is (3'8" there. I'll do it down this side. (3'10" there, and the soil actually doesn't go down. There's a secondary, a crappy retainer. It looks like redwood, but so you want to know the height from the top to the top of the grade. It's like 4 inches, and oh, this is scary. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a rounded step. Turn 1, 2 up, and this sort of aligns with about 4 inches from the side of the railing. Yeah. And then there's this thing, and I'm going to go ahead and measure all this out because this is not what I remember. Here's the back side of that retainer. And up again. And 1, 2, 3. Up to this whole deck height. And it looks like the slider there, I'm going to go ahead and measure that. The slider at this portion, I'll go ahead and measure that, but that looks to be about 3.5 inches step down. Alright. And then there's all that hullabaloo, but so that deck straightens out and then sort of softens with this edge here, straight again, and then to this big tree, and then step down from here. I'm going to go ahead and measure all that.